right, guys, all you're gonna need is an area to do these exercises, a light set of dumbbells that you can do some work with, or if you don't have dumbbells at your house, you can also use whatever you got. Milk jugs, laundry detergents, anything you got. So we're gonna be working for 1 minute, 40 seconds will be actually work, 20 seconds will be rest. We got 14 different movements. The first 4 are more of a warm-up, so let's get started. All right, first thing we got, jumping jacks. Just like back in PE class. Here we go. Legs go out, hands go above your head. Again, everything's gonna be 40 seconds, so you don't need to go insanely all out fast. Just nice and smooth. Good repetitions here. Good. Keep it going. Halfway there. Warming up the shoulders, the arms, the legs. 10 more seconds. After this, we're gonna take 20 seconds rest. Potato pickers. Potato pickers, I just reach out, middle and back, come up. Call these potato pickers. I grew up in Idaho. That's why we call them potato pickers. Hamstrings, lower back. Again, I stretch out, touch right at my feet, and then in between my feet. Again, these first 4, really just warm-ups. Good. Get the hips through, focus on the glutes. Good. All right, on to our side hops. We're gonna go 20-second side hops, side to side, and then 20 seconds forward and back. So great one to warm up, get those feet going. Nice, fast twitch muscle fibers going. Get those hands going. Good. Forward and back now. Forward and back. Both the hands go forward. Drive forward, come back. Quick feet. Quick feet. That heart rate's getting elevated. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest. Next up, we're on our glute bridges. Heels close to our booties, just driving those hips up. This one's gonna be working our glutes, a little bit of core in here. Really focus on driving to the ceiling and squeeze. Good. Press up, press through the heels. You see my toes are up, pressing through the heels. Again, this is just a warm up. We're gonna be getting into the high intensity interval training here in a second. Devil's press, one of the worst exercises ever invented because they hurt. So it's kind of like a burpee. Come down, come to your feet, and then it's kind of a kettlebell swing, or in this case, a dumbbell swing, and a press up over our head. Great full body workout. Obviously legs, lower back, anterior delts. Come on. 10 more seconds. 10 more seconds. Let's get one more. Flutter kicks. Great one for the abs here. I like to keep my hands underneath my booty. We got 40 seconds of ab work here, really to offset that leg work, the shoulder work we were doing. Flutter kicks up and down, or you can go scissor, side to side. Just keep those legs off the ground and keep them moving. 12 more seconds. Our dumbbell overhead lunge, just a single arm holding that dumbbell. We got 20 seconds holding the dumbbell with our right arm, and then we're gonna switch. Get down into that nice deep lunge, press back up. So these are our forward lunge. We're then gonna switch arms and keep it going. Breathe. All these movements designed to get that heart rate up. A lot of muscular endurance going on here too, both in my shoulder and in the quads. Time. Biggest thing with the side crunch here, keep that hip off the ground. That hip is popped up towards the ceiling, shoulders, elbows all in one line. We're gonna switch at 20 seconds to that other side. Keep it going. Working the obliques here, transverse abs. This is your rest period. When we do our core, that's our rest. Keep it going. If you need to modify it, feel free to do so. We got our alternating dumbbell snatch here. As you can see on the way down, I'm switching hands. Again, this isn't gonna be a ton of weight, so go for good movement and keep it going, continuous. Shrug up, get that arm up overhead. Halfway there. This one again, working the legs, the shoulders, posterior delt with that pull. And again, if you don't have a dumbbell, feel free to use whatever you got around your house. 3, 2, 1.
Go low, low, low. Like spinning in a 644. Cash money like 504. Ball like AD24. No sleep, need more. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the box. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up.
On the ground for our sprinter sit up. Just like you would if you were sprinting in a race, that knee drive, elbow comes up, opposite elbow to opposite knee. Burning.
see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and get it up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and get it up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
All right, my least favorite, we got thrusters. Squat down to 90 degrees as you're pushing up. As we're squatting up, you're also using those shoulders to press the dumbbells over your head. So get your gas real quick. Keep moving. Halfway there.
You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and get it up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex zone. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shitty, my bros raw. No breaks, we go, 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 go. Throw shade, that's a no, 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 no. Go high, go low, low, low. Like spinning in a 644. Cash money like 504. Ball like AD24. No sleep anymore.
Giving you guys a break on this one with our side-to-side crunch. So you can see I'm in a crunch position. I'm not back here. We're keeping the abs engaged. Heels are close to the buttocks, not touching though. And then we're touching with our hands. Constant tension, side to side. Working those obliques, working the abs. Rest period here. While still doing work, getting work done. You can get a lot of work done at home, guys. Don't think for 1 second that if your gym is closed, you can't get a good workout.
Join number 7, he's bored though. Working all night, need more though. I remember nights I was poor though. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and get it up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and get it up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus.
All right, here we have our sumo deadlift high pull. You can see my feet are on that sumo stance. Getting down all the way without your back having to round. So you can see I'm not quite touching the floor here. I'm going back, I'm going down, keeping my back nice and straight. Coming up, whew, these are gonna get your shoulders. I'll tell you that much. That high pull, pretend you got a string on your elbow and pulling up to the ceiling. Woo! Talking to you guys doing these are hard. All right, last thing. We're in a plank position on our hands, bringing our knees up to the side. Get good work here. I don't want to see you guys get going all over the place. We're stabilizing the core, bringing those hips up. Halfway there. All right, guys, that is gonna be it for round 1. That was 14 minutes right there. If you wanna run it through again, start this video over, make sure you give it a like and subscribe. Knock it out for a 28-minute workout. Good work today.